Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is an extensive and then methodical review of the smart grid for the suitable energy management, addressing challenges with the AI, renewable energy integration, and leading edge technologies. Our project abstract is energy management decrease to the energy expansion and then consumers while to the simulating increasing to the energy efficiency, reducing to the carbon emission and enhancing to the operational performance. Smart grids is type of the energy infrastructure that increase to the generation and distribution of the electricity, suitability, and efficiency by the utilized to the digital communication technology. These combine number of cutting edge techniques and then technologies to improve the energy resource management. A large amount of the research study on the topic of the smart grid for the energy management has been completed in the last several years. The authors of the present study, whatever the cover the number of topics, including to the smart grid benefit and component and technological development and integrated to the renewable energy source, using to the artificial intelligence and data analytics, cybersecurity and privacy, smart grid for the energy management for the innovative field, and then study aiming at various difficult manufacturing to the efficiency, deployability and suitability of the energy system, including to the renewable source of the power like solar, wind and interpreted to the unpredictable, different to the smart grid system from the various cyber attack incorporating to the electric vehicle system, power grid without medicine. Additionally, it's present to the proposed to use AI and then data analytics for the better performance of the grid and reliability and energy management. It also look like to the how to the AI to the data analytics can be used in the optimization grid performance and enhancing to the reliability and improve to the energy management and author to the exploring these signification to the challenges ongoing to the research. Lastly, the significant issue in this field are the noted and recommendation for the further work are the provide. Our project flowchart is first we can start with the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool. We have opened to the IEEE 13 bus system data, that is the smart grid data. After we are applying to the monitoring process, data pre-processing, data splitting. So 80% of training and 20% of testing. After that the model training we are using to the recursion model, and then classification we have find out to that fault will be occur or not, is additive fault or defective fault, we have check it on that one. We are using to the CNN and LSTM algorithm. Finally we have predict to the anticipation for the prediction, and then matrix analysis based on the performance analysis. Finally we can move on to the streamlet. So we have entered to the details, we have predict to the details. Our project execution, first we can open to the Anaconda Navigator Spider to launch the data set. So after that we have reading to the data. After to the data pre-processing, so what are the missing values we have check it on. After to the EDA plots, so these are the EDA plots. After to that model training, so we are using to the model training process, we get the 98.89%, almost is 99% of the accuracy. After that we have test to the data set and calculate to the performance analysis. So this is a home page, abstract and prediction. So user enter to the test data sample means is predicting to the information. For example, we have entered to the user wise, so we have entered to the some data for the user basis. So predicted to the which one will be there. So if the deductive non-fault will be occur. If the test data means we can move on to the test sample wise, we have predicting to the which type of the attack will be there. So that's one we have find out. Thank you.